So you do toilet seats, tanks?
Yeah, I do everything. Everything you can paint on.
So them are just blanks into them tanks?
Yeah, you have that's the original one, there's no colour on.
Yeah.
I put base colour on it.
Yeah, like a primer?
Yeah, a primer and a rust, so it doesn't rust. And then I start painting, and then I sign up what I'm going to paint. And,
yeah, brush it all over.
Yeah, then I airbrush it. It's the same in this one.
And it's got extractor fans and everything in it?
I have an old kitchen fan.
Yeah, well, I'll send on this then, Mike.
And this is the gun case I'm going to do.
The
sun is taking it now. Shit. Oh, I have to start all over again. The sun is taking it there, it's too hot.
So what's that going to be, airbrushed, or?
Yeah, so this is going to be silver.
Yeah.
This one. And later on I'm going to paint this either red, or also I'm going to do it like it looks like wood.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, and this is also going to be silver with the letters in red.
I'll have to come every day and see how far you've gotten. Yeah. How long will that take you?
I don't know. I have no clue at all. It takes as long as it takes.
That's it. You know, rush.
I don't work every day.
No.
I do it when I feel for it. You know.
Let's take these.
Wait a minute. I keep the flag away for you.
Yeah. So if someone sends you a picture, you can just do it on there, can't you? And this.
Now they're dirty because it rained yesterday.
Yeah, like the dust in it then.
I should have cleaned them up. But yesterday it was a really hard shower here from rain.
Let's get my back.